acne treatments don't have to dry or irritate your skin. Kiva Organics Acne Treatment Cream with tea tree oil provides an MD-grade acne solution. Its 3-in-1 formula fights acne, treats excess oil, and keeps skin moisturized. Kiva Organic Acne Treatment Cream uses organic ingredients to support hydrated, acne-free skin. Tea tree oil and salicylic acid target hormonal and bacterial-based acne at their source. It even treats cystic acne, but it's gentle enough for sensitive skin. Shea butter, squalene, grapeseed extract, olive, and argan oils provide a protective barrier to keep skin hydrated and irritation-free. Vitamin C-rich rosehip oil fades acne scars. My experience? The cool gel tingles, but it doesn't sting. There's no irritation or itchiness. With regular use, see reduced acne in days. Enjoy clear, hydrated skin and improved tone. Find Kiva Organics Acne Treatment Cream with tea tree oil at the link in the description.